Hello and welcome to the Virtual Observatory of the gaia-clim project. gaia-clim received funding under agreement number 640276 of the European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Program. What it's all concerned with is in our present day, there's a lot of discussion about climate change. There's a wealth of information available from satellite platforms that often do not fulfill the strict requirements for a climate data record due to long-term stability and continuity when instruments are changing. And on the other hand, we have the long-standing ground-based in situ instruments that are run at a specific location over a long time with very good documentation of its uncertainties and instrumental stability, but that do not have the geographical coverage of the satellite instruments. So one of the ideas is to marry up these two, as symbolized in this intro picture here, that we take the reference measurements from ground and in situ to improve the validation of the space-based observations from mostly satellite. And by combining them in the correct way, looking at all the uncertainties, the error budgets, long-term stability and so on, we might be able to derive a climate data record extending over a large area, ideally global coverage or close to global coverage, and spanning a long time period. This is the kind of data that would enable scientists to say a lot more about climate change, or understanding the climate system of our planet much better. So one of the objectives is to provide a list of where our observation capabilities may still fall short, or where we would best invest presently in order to improve our capabilities in this respect, and that is listed in a gap analysis report, which I'll come to back in a second. And the other one is this virtual observatory that just allows users to look at actual data, co-located data from reference instruments and satellites, and see how we can use this data in a better way. If you want to know more about gaia-clim, just click onto the gaia-clim logo and it'll take you to the gaia-clim homepage, where you will find the objectives of the project. You will find reports. You will find the GATE document, which is this list of current gaps in our observation capabilities that we hope to improve from the insights we gain from this project here. And the virtual observatory, if we just go back to the main page, is one of the key outcomes, and it's a demonstrator how a potential future operational service could look like, what we could gain from it, and what the value would be of such a system as an operational thing. Now, this should be enough as an introduction. There will be additional videos that you can find here in the top menu under Info and Tutorials that will talk about how you actually can use the virtual observatory, and so we will see you back in a few minutes. Thank you.